You're not gonna react? Oh.
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Abası şip gidi şip gidi şip.
I would say mentally I am not well.
You're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Meow!
Empty. Yeah. Oh, that's the best one.
Pijamanı niye var öldürdü? Kaç kişiydiler? Stop jumping on my sweater.
So. Oh my god. My property is so.
I don't know!
And they're just super playful. They still. Oh! Aww.
And we're going to test to see if
I'm hungry.
Breakfast.
All this power that I found.
Buddy? That's not looking too good, bud.
Another.
Can I have a snack,
No.
bitch?
I love you.
Comet. I love you.
Like the thing from Illinois.
How's motherhood treating you?
Fucking relax. Thank you. How do I pet? How do we? Oh. Do it. Do the thing. Oh my god.
Hello? Ow! No!
Oh, it's Mizzy B. Hi, Mizzy B. Oh my god.
Not pure? Oh. Yes, you are. I'm not because I love.
You're
Hello?
Whoa.
Being abandoned.
Hi.
for them.
No.
Want a bite of my bacon, egg, and cheese?
I'm okay, thank you.
Abusing his office for his personal political gain here, trying to pressure this.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
What are you doing in here?
I mean, guys, sorry, the cats are doing something stupid again, and that's just.
No. No.
Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth.
É você olhando lá, ó. Meu Deus.
Izzy, are you stuck?
not that serious.
What the fuck? Don't flip!
Спасибо, моя кися. Over these double baked.
Jump. Yes! Oh, she almost got it.
Are you tired?
Did you just do that by himself?
Yeah.
Are you stuck?